guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna create this makeup look. It's like a simple makeup look but yet it's super glam, and I've created this makeup look for the wedding guest because the wedding season has come back and it's the celebration season. So I've created this makeup look. You're gonna see my full picture later in the video when I'm gonna reveal my outfit. So since you all know that the wedding season, the celebration season is approaching, and this is the perfect time to refresh your vanity, like take out the old products and like fill in the new ones. So Trell has an offer going on for all of you. So you're gonna get your favorite products at a price you have heard never before. There is up to 70% off on all the products. So there's 70% off on all the major brands, and also on the 70%, if you use my coupon code, you're gonna get a 25% discount on that. So I'm gonna mention my coupon code here and the link down in the description, especially for the liner that I bought and the lipstick. So the links are in the description and the other details are here on the screen. So the sale has already started from 20th of November. So make sure that you are going and getting your favorite products because there is so much discount going on, like literally. And on top of that, if you use my coupon code, you're gonna get another 25% off, which is like a really good thing. So make sure that you're shopping so that you don't have to regret it later. So now without wasting further ado, we're gonna go straight into this makeup look. I'm in the video. So guys, before we start doing our makeup, there is one more thing which I wanted to mention about the Trell app. So I have a special hack on how you can get your products for almost free. So Trell has launched like a special program called as Trell Cash, where you get interesting challenges, and when you complete it you get Trell Cash. So one Trell Cash is equal to 1 rupee. So all you can do is that complete the challenges. So the more challenges you take, the more Trell Cash you can earn, and also you can do a lot of shopping with the Trell Cash. Also over this, if you use my coupon code, you will get an extra 25% off on the products that you purchase. So start ordering your favorite products from the lifestyle short videos and e-commerce app, which is Trell app. So now without wasting further ado, we're gonna start with our wedding guest makeup look. So to start off with, I'm gonna apply my moisturizer, and for moisturizer today I'm gonna apply the Lotus Vitamin C Skin Brightening Day Creme. So I'm gonna use this one today. Since I received it and I haven't used it much, so I'm gonna use this one. So now moving on to the primer, I'm going to use my Lakme Absolute Undercover Gel Primer. So I am going to use this one. It is like very like lightweight and gel consistency, so it sits on really well. I'm just going to take some amount, like very little actually, and I'm going to just apply that on the areas where I feel dry usually. So I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless foundation. So I bought this foundation and I'm absolutely in love with this. It is exactly my skin tone, like I don't have to mix two foundations. And this one is in the shade 310. So I am directly going to apply that on my face. So I'm done applying the foundation, and I'm just going to apply very little powder just under my eyes and on my mouth area because it usually becomes pretty oily after some time. So I'm gonna do that. So now moving on to my eyes. Since I'm wearing like a red sari, I am not gonna do anything crazy with my eyes because my outfit is really glittery and glowy. So I'm gonna take my Faces Canada Ultimate Pro kit. So I'm gonna use this highlighter shade as my eyeshadow, and then I'm just gonna apply my liner and kajal, and then finish off the look. I'm gonna do the same on the other side as well. And this look was supposed to actually be how you can quickly get ready for a wedding, but it won't be possible to quickly get ready, so I'm just showing you like easy way to get ready. So for eyeliner today, I'm going to apply this Faces Canada Ultimate Pro liner. This is a matte play eyeliner in the shade black. So this one I actually got from Trell app, and so here's my coupon code. Even you can purchase this product. I absolutely love it. The tip is like very easy to apply, so it's like a dense tip. It's not the one which keeps on shaking, so it's pretty thick, so you can apply that in one go. If you are a person like me, you cannot apply the perfect liner. This liner is gonna help you get the perfect wing.
Also, you're gonna get free delivery on every product that you purchase from the Trell app.
So you guys saw how easy it was to apply the liner. So now I'm gonna move on to the blush. I'm gonna dust off this powder very quickly, and I'm gonna move on to the blush and the highlighter and the lipstick, and my look will be done, and then I'll show you the final result. So I'm going to use the same blush from the Faces Canada palette, and I'm going to take like a angular brush, and I'm going to gently apply my blush. You can actually do this look like for day, for night, like it can work throughout the day, I would say, because it's simple and yet it's glam. So now moving on to the highlighter, I'm going to take the same brush and I'm going to take the same highlighter which I applied on my eyes. So I'm going to take that, dust off, and gently slide it over like this. I'm going to take it and gently slide it over. So I'm going to do my eyelash because I'm going to apply false lashes. So I'm going to do that off camera. Also I'm going to do my brows off camera. So now moving on to the lipstick. So I got this Faces Canada Ultimate Pro. It's a lip crayon in the shade Pink Pout. It's a beautiful pink shade, and I'm going to apply this. Since my sari is red, I think pink would look good on it. So I'm going to apply that. It's a lip crayon. It glides gently. To be honest, this will be my first time applying a lip crayon, and I literally found this on Trell app at a very reasonable rate. There were like discounts on this, so I was like, okay, I need to buy it. So now I'm going to apply that. It is bold color, it's pink, it's bold, and it looks super good. So this was the look. I absolutely love the product. I'm especially very much obsessed with my liner and the lipstick. This is something that I always wanted to have in my vanity. It is one of those quickest to use product, and I absolutely love it. So now I'm gonna get ready completely, and I'm gonna show you my final result or the final look.
If you found the one, you should never give her up. think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby, yeah.
So guys, this is my final look. So this is the jewelry that I'm wearing, and I'm sure you guys must have seen the pictures of the sari. So this is what I would wear if I was a guest at some wedding or any kind of a celebration. So that would be my complete look. So this is how my makeup look is. I did like fill my brows a little, and then I applied this false lashes. And this is the jewelry that I wore. Well, I ordered these from Amazon and it went really well with my sari. So guys, this is the final result. Going on is the wedding season sale, so make sure that you are ordering your favorite products. And so if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and also turn on the bell post notifications so that you guys get updated every time I post a new video. And also don't forget to add me on all my social media. The links are always in the description. Don't forget to add me there as well, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
I think we should have some more fun. I still